Hi, I'm Madeline from Lakeside Table, and I am so excited to be collaborating on this video with the John Boos Factory Showroom about their new Boos iBlock cutting boards. As you can probably tell from my countertops to my extensive cutting board collection to a few of my aprons, I'm kind of a huge fan. Now, if you're like me and you like to watch movies while you cook, or if you like to follow along with one of your favorite TV or YouTube chefs, or maybe you just like to have your iPad around to look up online recipes, these iBlocks are awesome. It comes in two styles, the iBlock and the iBlock Pro. This one is detached, it comes in two pieces, and this one is all-in-one. What I like about this two-piece one is that the board is compact and I can pick it up and wash it off without ever touching my iPad. It also comes in walnut, maple, and cherry. All of the wood varieties Boos uses are great because they are sustainably forested, made in the USA, and won't dull the blade like using a bamboo or a plastic cutting board might. I like this all-inclusive iBlock Pro because it's all in one piece and I don't have to worry about the two pieces getting separated. Plus, the board is a little bit larger, and what I really like is this trough right here. And if I'm cutting something juicy, the juices will run into this trough and not on my counter and not on my iPad. If you're thinking about getting one of these boards as a gift or maybe for yourself, I'll put the link on where you can find them above this video or right below. Now, the other thing that I like about these is that they have finger niches, which makes them very easy to pick up and put down. And here's a cutting board tip. Consider using one board for just produce and bread and a completely separate board for raw meat.
And when it comes time to care for your Boos board, nothing beats Boos Block Mystery Oil and Board Cream. The oil and cream are both made with food-safe ingredients that will keep your cutting board in excellent condition and looking new. The guys over at the factory recommend oiling your boards a minimum of once a month.
So go ahead and check out the links either above or below to get your iBlock and have fun in your kitchen.